I'm the acting Group CEO of PRASA, that's the Passenger Rail Agency of South Africa. We're responsible for providing commuter rail services as well as long-distance rail services. We're going through a very challenging but also exciting time in railways in South Africa. We're busy rebuilding many of our rail corridors in the key metros. We're also moving towards a modernized rail system, rolling out our new trains, our signaling systems, upgraded stations and communications, as well as our rolling stock depots. When it comes to the long distance rail services, we're also looking at reviving our current systems. In the future, in line with the national rail policy, we're looking at rolling out high-speed rail systems around the country. This is the medium to longer term vision, but that is the way we need to go. When we look at the network as it is, in the future we are looking at expanding our rail networks. Many of our cities have grown significantly over the years, and we need to respond with expanded rail networks in some of these key cities. PRASA, as a founding member of SARA, is pleased to invite all dignitaries and guests to the conference and exhibition on the 26th and 27th of October. We are really looking forward to elevate the discussion around passenger railways in South Africa and Africa as a continent. It plays an important role in transportation across the region. We are looking forward to having discussions on the modernization, the upgrading, the technology improvements in railways, and assisting our other operators in the rest of Africa with upgrading and modernizing their rail networks. Africa, as a developing continent, is experiencing rapid urbanization. Railways therefore have a critical role to play in meeting those demands within the cities from a passenger point of view, not only the metro services, but also including intercity rail travel. One of the biggest rail manufacturing projects in the world today resides in South Africa. We are busy procuring and manufacturing 600 new train sets. These are the new modern metro rail fleet. We see this factory that we have established in Gauteng to become the hub of rail manufacturing in Africa. In closing, I'm looking forward to see all of you at the conference and exhibition.